let's just calculate some simple interest. So first, remember that the formula for simple interest is I equals PRT, where I stands for the interest, so the interest that accumulates over time. Principal is the amount you start with. Rate usually is given as a percent, so we need to first change that to a decimal. And then the time is always in years. So if you are given times in terms of months, you need to make sure you change that to years first. So let's do two problems. You borrow $1,450 for 3 years at 4% simple interest. How much interest will you owe after that time? Now, this assumes that you make no payments during that time, and all of that fun stuff. Although there are some loans that are simple interest that the interest is put on at the beginning. So whether you pay it off or not first doesn't matter because the interest is charged right at the beginning for the entire amount of the loan. Anyway, let's just find the interest on this one. So first I'm going to recognize my pieces. The principal is $1,450. The time is 3, and the rate is 4%, which is 0.04. So the I equals PRT. Let's go ahead and plug in what we know. 1,450 times 0.04 times 3. And when I multiply those together, the amount of interest is $174. So after 3 years, that's the additional money you would pay due to interest. Let's do another one. If the principal is $7,000, the rate's 2.7%, and the time is 36 months, calculate the simple interest. Great. Again, I equals PRT is our formula, so let's recognize what we have. The principal is $7,000. The rate is 2.7%, which as a decimal is 0.027, because remember, you move the decimal 2 places. And the time is 36 months. But remember, earlier I said time has to be in years. So 36 months is equal to 3 years. Now I can plug them into my formula. I equals 7,000 times 0.027 times 3. And when I do that, I end up with $567 as the amount of simple interest.